What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be testing this smoke and fire alarm right on that thing right there. This alarm detects flames also. So I was thinking to myself, why not test it on the smoke and flames? So let's go ahead and test it. Now, a little bit of a warning. This might be very kind of dangerous, which is why I recommend canned smoke instead of stove smoke, because that'll literally burn yourself, and that's not good. So you want to somehow keep your arm right a little bit silence. There you go. Dude, this crazy thing. Dude, just shut off already. Hang on. Alright, so I decided to somehow put the alarm in here so the smoke wears off. But, dude, what the balls is this? Dude, come on. There you go. Thank God. Please don't go off again. Man, the next time, if you, yeah, it detects fire as well. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and test this one next. We're going to be testing all of these smoke alarms with smoke, actually. So, yeah, let's test this one. Alright, so the next one is going to be this one right here. I still haven't figured out the model just yet, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So, let's go ahead and test it with smoke. Oh gosh, that's way too hot. If only I had gloves, that would have been perfect. Alright. Alright, carefully. It's still not going off. I'm not too sure why, but should go off any second. The second the smoke alarm beeps. Please don't fall. I really hate falling. Alright. There we go. It is literally sounding. Okay, hush. There you go. It should not go off anymore. Wear off the smoke. Alright. Nice. Alright. So, we managed to test this one. Now, we're going to test the KitKat COPED. So, hopefully this alarm will not fall. But, yeah. Just be careful. Alright? Anyways, let's go ahead and test it. Alright. Oh, careful. We're going to test this one now. So, hopefully, it'll go off. Somehow it should. There we go.
Fire.
It's going off.
Fire.
Alright. The smoke should wear off. Alright. Alright. This alarm's smoke sensor is working also. So we can move on to the next one. Alright, so we're not actually gonna go for the next one, because obviously, like, it would be too long if I did the entire smoke alarm collection. So we'll just do 3 alarms per day. So yeah, I'll go ahead and be making a part 2 on the smoke test. So yeah, anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy, and if you did, make sure you hit a like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.